Well, everybody, it's the morning, ready to go out. Everybody's here with all their speedboats. A lot faster than mine. I'm the slowpoke here, but you know, at least my boat's big and gold. Oh, here we go, fellers and fellettes. We're at an unknown ramp on an unknown waterway with the unproven boat. Let's see how it goes. Let's get this puppy in the water and hopefully not sink or break down. The old girlfriend's helping out. Let's get her done. All right, guys, we made it in the water. I don't think she's sinking. Let's get it fired up and see what kind of trouble we can cause.
There goes one. Look at that, they both started up. First try. Knock that thing, get it to work.
It's not making any oil pressure.
Oh no. Give her a love tap.
What?
I say give her a love tap.
Not working. It's got oil pressure. I just don't know why the gauge isn't working.
Well, at least the engines work.
It started working for a second.
Keep tapping it.
It's tweaking out. Alright, whatever, let's go. Alright guys, let's see how well this thing does. You got both ropes in?
Yep.
I don't know where the shallow spots are or nothing, so this could be interesting.
Very gloomy day. Still nice out on the water though.
I've got no oil pressure on one of my gauges, which I don't like. I don't see a red channel marker.
I see green, but I don't think we got the towels out of the van. I only have my one in my bag.
Well, I don't think any of us will be swimming today.
I know, I just got it in case we get cold or wetness on the chairs.
I don't like that. There we go. Something.
It's tweaking.
I don't see another red channel marker.
I don't either. There's one way back that way, but I don't see any coming this way.
Yeah.
I just see green. Is it supposed to be smoking?
Where is it smoking from?
Out the back.
I think that's fine. I think that's just the exhaust.
Okay.
It's just steam.
I just didn't see it before. I just now started seeing it, so I just wanted to make sure.
Bunch of crab traps over here.
There's a bird on it.
I don't know where the fuck the channel is.
God damn it.
What?
I didn't bring my piss bottle.
This thing vibrates a lot.
Yeah.
I don't understand why why there's no red channel marker. That dude's over there running.
Yeah.
Alright, I guess let's let him breathe a little bit. Well guys, I didn't have the camera recording, but I think we just lost the drive. I smelled gear oil and one of them shot the red line. So yeah, we're gonna mosey on back to the ramp and check it out. Yeah, fun times. We'll get back with you. Smells really bad. Well guys, I'm sorry you didn't get to see the launch or us pulling it out. But something's definitely broken and I can't tell what. The drive looks fine, it goes into gear fine. It's gotta be something up top. It pops in and out of gear. I'm just gonna destroy it if I try to use it more, so we'll head back to the hotel and see what we can figure out. And if it doesn't cut to the next clip, I appreciate y'all watching and I really appreciate the support. Tell me what I can do better, what I can't do better, what I shouldn't be doing. I don't care, leave me a comment. Thanks guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.